बोल बंसी वाले की जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्णा, जय श्रीमन नारायण। एवरीवन, वेलकम वंस मोर टू त्रिवेणी मंदिर। आइए सभी लोग एक दो पल के लिए ठाकुर जी का ध्यान करें। लेट अस ऑफर अ फ्यू प्रेयर्स टू भगवान श्री कृष्णा। ध्येयं सदा परिभवग्नमभीष्टदोहम् तीर्थास्पदं शिवविरञ्चनुतं शरण्यम् भृत्यार्तिहं प्रणतपालभवाब्धिपोतम् वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दम् वंशी विभूषितकरान् नवनीरदावा पीताम्बरादरुणबिम्ब फलदरोष्टा पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखा दरविन्दनेत्रा कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। गौराङ्गं रसमयं नित्यं रसाचार्यं रसोत्सुकम् श्रीमद्रामहर्षन देवाख्यं सद्गुरुं प्रणमामि। जय जय श्री राधारमण, जय जय नवल किशोर, जय गोपी चित चोर प्रभु, जय जय माखन। बोल बंसी वाले की जय, वो राधा रमन भगवान की जय। आइए सभी लोग, let us all join in संकीर्तन of भगवान श्री कृष्णा, मन वाणी को पावन करने के लिए। As we purify our minds and our voices this morning, everyone try to sing along. ब्रज जन प्रियतम बाल मुकुंदम राधा रमणम हरे हरे राधा रमणम हरे हरे बाल मुकुंदम राधा रमणम हरे हरे राधा रमणम हरे हरे ब्रज जन प्रियतम बाल मुकुंदम राधा रमणम हरे हरे राधा राजत वनमालं रूपरसालं राधारमणं हरे हरे राजत वनमालं रूपरसालं श्री राधारमणं हरे हरे राधा राधा एक बार प्रेम से बोलिए जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय श्री कृष्ण।
राजा परीक्षित listening very carefully to the words of Shukdev ji. अब देखिए, when Shukdev ji first arrived in front of Raja Parikshit was very, very afraid. He has been told that after 7 days he is going to die. अचानक से ये धर्म गुरु प्रकट हो गए, so he is interested in what he is going to hear, but that fear is still inside of him. So in a few words, Shukdev ji Maharaj says, यस्याम संधार्यमाणायाम योगिनो भक्ति लक्षण। संधार्यमाणायाम योगिनो भक्ति लक्षण। राजन, focus your mind on Shri Krishna, bhakti lakshana. Make your target devotion. अपने लक्ष्य को भक्ति बनाओ. And when you focus your mind on Bhagavan Shri Krishna, आशु संपद्यते योग आश्रयम भद्रमीक्षित. When you focus your mind on Bhagavan Shri Krishna, then he will take you to his परम धाम, वैकुंठ धाम. और जो आदमी पृथ्वी लोक पर रह करके वैकुंठ धाम में जाने वाले हैं, that person lives without fear. All of us have fear of something. We have fear of being able to not provide for our families. You have fear of sickness. Some of you are scared of your spouse. The children are scared of their exams. Everybody is scared of something. लेकिन निर्भय रहो. To live under the protection of Bhagavan Shri Krishna, to live under the protection of Dwarka Nath, is to live under the protection of the Sudarshan Chakra. और जिसके ऊपर सुदर्शन चक्र चलता है, उस व्यक्ति को, that person is not scared even of Dharmaraj himself. This is what Shukdev ji is trying in very summarized form to tell Raja Parikshit. But Raja Parikshit has a very, very relevant and important question. He says, Gurudev, क्षमा कीजिए, लेकिन यथा संधार्यते ब्रह्मन धारणा यत्र सम्मता. गुरुदेव, ध्यान कैसे किया जाए? How do you focus your mind on Bhagavan? How do you concentrate? यादृशी वा हरे राशु पुरुषस्य मनोमलम. भगवान, इस मन में इतना मैल है, there are so many impurities, मन में इतनी गंदगी है. How do you clean your mind and focus your mind on Bhagavan Shri Krishna? Before we do any puja, we always say, apavitro pavitro va sarvavasthangato peva. Hey Prabhu, by sprinkling this Ganga Jal, बाहर पवित्र होना चाहिए और अंदर भी. That is the difference between Jal और Ganga Jal. Water can wash your body, लेकिन गंगा जल से मन पवित्र होता है. By sprinkling Ganga Jal onto your body, even the inside can become clean. इसलिए मंत्र बोल करके we sprinkle Ganga Jal all over our body, all over this puja sthal. This is a very important question Raja Parikshit asks Shukdev ji Maharaj. Shukdev ji says, Rajan, बहुत ध्यान से सुनो. If you wish to know how to focus your minds on Bhagavan Krishna, many people say, I want to sing bhajans, I want to do japam, I want to listen to katha, लेकिन मन नहीं लगता है. It is difficult to listen more than a few minutes. It is difficult to sit more than a few minutes. How do you cross that obstacle? जितासनो जितश्वासो जित संगो जितेन्द्रिय स्थूले भगवतो रूपे मनस्संधार्ये धीर्य. Shukdev ji Maharaj says 4 things you have to learn. Jitasano, asan ko jito. Be able to sit in one place for a long time without moving. Jita swaso. Swas means pran. Control your breathing. You have to keep yourself fit, you have to keep yourself healthy. The more unhealthy you become, the more difficult it is to breathe. And the more difficult it is to breathe, the more quickly you breathe. And the more quickly you breathe, the less time you live in this world. When you look at animals that have a long lifespan, बहुत धीरे धीरे सांस लेते हैं. And small animals that breathe very quickly, they have a very short lifespan. Being able to breathe slowly means you will live in this world for a very long time. If you are very, very overweight and you have to take quick breaths, so then your lifespan becomes much shorter. Jita swaso, jita sango, jita sango. In Ramcharitmanas, everyone knows this chaupai, Binu satsang vivek hoi. Bhagavan Shri Ram says, satsang karo. Surround yourself with good people. Surround yourself with the devotees of Shri Hari. Surround yourselves with people who bring you closer to Bhagavan. Jita sango. Never underestimate the impact that your friends and your family have on you. If you want to go to mandir but they do not want to go to mandir, रविवार सुबह घर में झगड़ा होगा. चलिए मंदिर चलते. नहीं नहीं नहीं, आज तो हमें घूमना है. We want to go and walk today. And then you are sad because you are not able to go to mandir. Jita sango. Surround yourself with sattvic people who bring you closer to Bhagavan. And lastly, Raja Parikshit says, Shukdev Ji Maharaj says, Rajan Jitendriya. Jitendriya. The Indriyas, you have these 5 Indriyas, these 5 senses. You have to defeat them. You have to become Jitendriya. You have to be victorious over them. You have to control them. You cannot let them control you. Rajan, when you can achieve this, Visheshastasya deyoham stavishtasya swaviyasam. When you can achieve this, Rajan, then you are not concerned about this body. Deha abhiman shunya ho jate ho. Then you realize, ye sharir kuch nahi hai. After 7 days, takshak saap will come and he will bite this body and this body will cease to exist. Lekin aapke andar jo atma hai, yatredam drishyate vishwam bhutam bhavyam bhavaccha sat. Aapke andar jo atma hai, that atma that is waiting to return to Paramatma, Trailukya ke Swami, Bhagavan Shri Krishna, hey Rajan, that will be free. Shrimad Bhagavad Gita mein Bhagavan Krishna tells us in his own words कि ज्ञान विज्ञान तृप्तात्मा कूटस्थो विजितेंद्रियः. ज्ञान और विज्ञान को प्रयोग करो. This knowledge is here in this world. Jnana means knowledge from our dharma shastra. Vigyan means scientific knowledge. Combine both in your lives. It is not enough to read Dharma Shastra. You have to be aware of basic mathematics, basic science in this world to exist. Bhagavan Krishna says, Jo yogi hai, the one who prays to me, when he elevates his knowledge with Gyan or Vigyan, he becomes a Triptatma. Triptatma means, Jo vyakti sada santusht rehte hai. That person who is always satisfied. Triptatma unko kehte hai. Kutasto vijitendriya. When you are always satisfied, when you are Triptatma, so automatically you become Jitendriya. Automatically you defeat your senses. Because Yatro Paramate Chittam Nirudham Yoga Sevaya Yatra Chaivatmanatmanam Pashyannatmani Tushyati. Bhagavan Krishna says, he is not saying to disengage from the world. He is not saying do not indulge in anything that brings you happiness. He is just saying, do not allow it to control you. When the mind is restrained, yatro paramate chittam nirudham yoga sevaya. When you become a yogi, when you dedicate your life to Bhagavan Krishna, then these small things, even if you are enjoying in life, they do not rule you. And they do not cause you to make wrong decisions. And then, apne aap man sthir ho jayega. The mind becomes firm and fixed on the lotus feet of Bhagavan Krishna. Because Arjuna asks a very good question in Bhagavad Gita. He says, Prabhu, ye man bade chanchal hai. This mind is very, very chanchal. I don't have to translate chanchal. Everyone knows what this word means. Chanchalam hi mana Krishna pramathi balavriddham. भगवान ये मन अति चंचल है. तस्याहम निग्रहम मन्ये वायुरिव सुदुष्करम. It is impossible for man to think about one thing only. It is impossible for us to focus our minds on only one concept. We have so many different things to think about. Bhagavan Krishna says, Parth, कठिन है, असंभव नहीं है. It is difficult, but it is not impossible. पार्थ नैवेहना मुत्र विनाशस्तस्य विद्यते. Hey Parth, engage yourself on dharma marg. There are two paths you have to always try to tread upon. Dharma marg or prema marg. In dharma marg, the way of dharma, you live your life according to the principles of Satya Sanatan Dharma. And in prema marg, you try your best to fall in love with Bhagavan Shri Krishna. And when you fall in love with Bhagavan Shri Krishna, He also falls in love with you. Bandhu, this is the Parama Lakshya of our life. Bhagavan says, मुझसे प्रेम करो, love me, and अपने आप मन स्थिर हो जाएगा. The mind will become fixed on me. You will see everything else that you were thinking about, you will not care about them when you start to worship me, when you start to fall in love with the Leela of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Bol Banke Bihari Lal ki jai. In Mahabharata, there is a very beautiful prasanga, there is a very beautiful Leela that shows how when you have love for Bhagavan, any decision that you make can still bring you victory. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan Krishna told Arjun, Hato va prapsyasi swargam jitva va bhokshase mahim. Arjun, fight this war. If you die, you will go to Swarga. And if you win, you will get the kingdom of Hastinapur. Tasmat uttishta Kaunteya. Pick up your weapons, O Kaunteya. He Kunti Putra, Yudhaya Krita Nischaya. Fight this war and know that the outcome is Krita Nischaya. The outcome is guaranteed. So one devotee is asking, Bhagavan, how can you give this advice to Arjun that the outcome of this war is guaranteed? On the side of the Kauravas, you have Bhishma Pitamaha, Dronacharya, Kripacharya. They are the ones who taught the Kauravas how to fight. And now you have to defeat your gurus. How can they win this impossible war? Surya Putra Karna, Duryodhana ke saath khade hain. On his body he has armor that was given to him by Bhagavan Surya that literally makes him invincible. ऐसे व्यक्ति को कौन हरा सकता है? But Bhagavan Krishna still says, Yudhaya Krita Nischaya. The outcome of Kurukshetra war, the outcome of this war in Mahabharata was not decided in Kurukshetra. This war was not decided in Hastinapur. This war was not decided in Indraprahasta. इस युद्ध में कौन विजय होगा, ये निर्णय निकला द्वारका में. This decision was made in Dwarka many days before this war started. बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए. आज थोड़ा महाभारत प्रसंग सुनाते हैं. Today we'll tell you a little bit of Mahabharatam. Before this war took place, all of the kings had to choose a side. This was a war for the entire Bharat Desh. Everyone had to choose, will you fight with Yudhishthir or will you fight with Duryodhana? One kingdom was left to choose its alliance. The kingdom of Dwarka, the kingdom of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Ek din Duryodhan gaya Dwarkapuri. He goes to meet Bhagavan Krishna. When he goes to Dwarka, Dwarpal stops him. He says, Sham Sundar abhi so rahe hai. Bhagavan is sleeping. Wait outside for some time. Duryodhan says, Hat jao samne se. Move from in front of me. Tumko nahi pata main Hastinapur ki raja hu. You want me to wait outside? Let me go inside. I'll wait for him in his room. So Duryodhan, filled with ahamkar, filled with abhiman, he goes into the bedroom of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. Aur dekhe ki Sham Sundar so rahe hai. Bhagavan is sleeping. He goes and he sits. Where does he sit? At the head of Bhagavan Krishna. Thodi der baad Arjuna aaye hai. Arjuna comes and meets the guard. Dwarpal ne kaha, ek to andar baith chuka hai, tum bhi jao. Why should I stop you? One of you is already inside. You go and sit also. So Arjuna goes inside and he sees Bhagavan Krishna lying on the bed. He says, Vah Prabhu, आपकी बहुत सारे दर्शन किया हूँ, लेकिन आज पहली बार सोते हुए मैं आपको देख रहा हूँ. In this mantra we say, Shantakaram Bhujag Shayanam. When Bhagavan Vishnu lies in the lap of Sheshanag with his head resting in the lap of Mata Lakshmi, Arjun ko laga aaj wahi drishya dekhne ko mila. Today that is a darshan I am getting to see. He sits on the ground at the feet of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. After some time, Bhagavan Krishna awakes, and when he awakes, he sits up. Now, who is sitting at his head? He cannot see them. Firstly, he sees Arjuna. सबसे पहले अर्जुन को देखा. अरे पार्थ, तुम आए हो मिलने के लिए? He sees Arjuna. पीछे से आवाज आई, हम भी आए हैं. Duryodhan says, अरे कन्हैया, I am also here. भगवान कृष्ण से, अच्छा तुम भी आए हो, तो सामने आओ. Come in front of me. Before Arjuna and Duryodhan can say anything, भगवान कृष्ण says, बंधुओं, मैं जानता हूं कि आप लोग मुझसे कुछ मांगने आए हो, लेने आए हो. You have come to ask me for something. This war is about to begin. मैंने अपने आप को दो हिस्सा में बांट लिया. I have divided myself into two parts. On one side, देवताओं को हराने वाले नारायणी सेना, the same Narayani Sena that can defeat the army of Swarga. And on the other side, Nihatya Shri Krishna. On the other side, I will stand, but I will not pick up any weapons. मैं लड़ूंगा नहीं, सुदर्शन चक्र नहीं मिलेगा, आपको बंसी मिलेगा. You will only get Krishna. You will not get the king of Dwarka holding Sudarshan Chakra. He looks at Arjun and he says, Arjun, ask of me which one you want. Duryodhan, उनकी BP high हो गई. His blood pressure starts to go up. अरे कन्हैया, पहले तो हम आए. I am the one who came first. भगवान says, इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है पहले कौन आए, किसके ऊपर हमारी दृष्टि पहले पड़ी. That is what I am concerned about. Who did I see first? And I saw first Kunti Putra Arjun. Duryodhan says, I am older. Arjun he should allow me to ask first. Bhagavan Krishna says, Duryodhan, first preference I give to Arjun. Let him ask what he wants. What do you think Arjun asks for, Bandhu? Arjun says, Hey Bhagavan, मैं आपको चाहता हूं. I wish for you. भगवान says, पार्थ बहुत ध्यान से सोचिए, निहत्य हूं, शस्त्र नहीं उठाऊंगा. Even if you're on the brink of defeat, even if Karna is about to pierce your chest with an arrow, I will not pick up my Sudarshan Chakra to save you. Arjun says, प्रभु कोई बात नहीं, बस आप साथ में हो तो और क्या चाहिए. पीछे दुर्योधन मन में ही बहुत गदगद हो गए. दुर्योधन secretly is very happy, but he tries to make a show. चलिए ठीक है अर्जुन, तुमने कृष्ण को मांगे हो, मैं नारायणी सेना लेके जाता हूँ. I will take the army, no problem. ठीक है. But in his mind he is very happy. That is what he wanted. So both of them got exactly what they wanted. बंधुओं, अंतर देखिए, see the difference. When Duryodhan returns to Hastinapur and he goes to see his Mamaji, Shakuni Mama, the mastermind behind Duryodhan and all of his movements is Shakuni. Mamaji says, Krishna kahan hai? Where is Shri Krishna? Duryodhan says, Mama, we had two options. His army, which is very powerful, or Krishna, who is not going to fight. We are not going to have Gau Mata roaming around. We don't have to get Makhan and Dahi and Doodh. We need warriors. Shakuni says, Duryodhan, tum maha murkh ho. Why did you not choose Shri Krishna? Even with his army, आपको नहीं पता वो निहत्य भी कितने खतरनाक है. How dangerous he is, even without a weapon. When he will stand on the other side of the battlefield, जब मंद मंद मुस्कुराएंगे, when he will show his teeth and he will smile at all of us, so Bhishma Pitamaha will not be able to fight, Dronacharya will not be able to think, Karna will bow in pranam, meri bhi buddhi brasht ho jayegi. I will also not be able to think. All he has to do is smile and we will lose this war. O teri mand mand muskaniya, O teri mand mand muskaniya, बलिहार माधव जी, बलिहार माधव जी. शाकुनी says, दुर्योधन, पहले बार तुमको कुछ भेज दिया अकेला करने के लिए. The first time I have sent you to do something alone, and you have messed up everything. You have messed up the entire plan. और उधर, on the other side, Arjuna goes back to meet Mata Kunti. When he meets them, he informs them कि माँ, हमारे पक्ष में श्री कृष्ण द्वारकाधीश कन्हैया जी बैठेंगे. He will not fight, but he will be with us. माँ कुंती माँ होने के बाद अपने पुत्र अर्जुन को प्रणाम करती है. Even though she is the son, she bows to her son Arjuna. Even though she is the mother, Arjuna says, माँ आप क्या कर रही हो? Why are you bowing to me? I should be bowing to you. माता कुंती says, पुत्र, मैं अपने पुत्र को प्रणाम नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं ऐसा पुत्र को प्रणाम करती हूँ जो हमारे द्वार पे श्याम सुंदर लेके आए हैं. I am bowing to that son that has brought Bhagavan Krishna to the door of my home. ऐसे पुत्र मिला तो हम धन्य हो गए. To get such a son who will bring Bhagavan Krishna into your lives, into your home. अब मैं नाचो बहुत गोपाल, अब मैं नाचो बहुत गोपाल, अब मैं नाचो बहुत गोपाल, अब मैं नाचो बहुत गोपाल. काम क्रोध को पहरी चोलना, काम क्रोध को पहरी चोलना, कंठ विषय की माला, अब मैं नाचो बहुत गोपाला, अब मैं नाचो बहुत गोपाला, ओ अब मैं नाचो बहुत गोपाला, नाचो बहुत गोपाला. माँ कुंती says, जितने वैष्णव है इस पृथ्वी लोक पर सब कंठी माला धारण करते हैं. All the devotees of Bhagavan Vishnu, they wear this kanti mala, this tulsi mala. क्यों? At the time of death, the Bhagavan Shri Vishnu will stop your breath from leaving your throat and going to Dharmaraj. He will take your pran and take to Vaikuntha Dham. Kanti mala पहनते हैं. और अर्जुन, at the time of fighting this war, जब ज्यादा संभावना है मरने के लिए, the most highest chance of dying, और कंठी माला नहीं, तुलसी मैया के अधिपति भगवान श्री कृष्ण आपके साथ होंगे. He will be the one who is with you in every move, in every battle, in every position that you take. He will be the one guiding you. Hey Arjun, विजय अवश्य है. Your victory is assured. तत्र श्री विजयो भूतिर. तो बंधुओं, the decision of that war was made in Dwarka. Many days before the war even began. Shukdev ji is explaining this concept to Bhagavan, to Raja Parikshit, कि अपने आप को समर्पित करो. Offer yourself to Bhagavan Krishna. कोई पत्र समर्पित करते हैं, कोई पुष्प, कोई दक्षिणा, कोई प्रसाद. So many different things you offer to Bhagavan. Offer to him yourself. Offer to him everything you have. हे लक्ष्मीपति नारायण, हमारे जो सर्वस्व है, everything that we have, सब आपके प्रसाद है प्रभु, सब आपकी सामग्री है. Everything that we have we offer to you. And how you guide us, the same way you guided Arjuna by sitting in his rath, by sitting in his chariot. So the only thing that you can get is victory. बोलो कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय. आइए भगवान श्री कृष्ण को कैसे रिझाना है, how to make Bhagavan Shri Krishna happy with you. As we conclude our katha this morning, we sing one more bhajan to Bhagavan Shri Krishna. मन मोहन तुझे रिझाऊं, ओ तुझे नित नैलार लहराऊं, बसा कर नैनन में, छिपा कर नैनन में, बसा कर नैनन में, छिपा कर नैनन में. ओ मन मोहन तुझे रिझाऊं, नित नैन लार लहराऊं, बसा कर नैनन में, छिपा कर नैनन में. ओ बसा कर नैनन में, छिपा कर नैनन में. गीत बन जाऊं तेरी लाती बल छाती पतली कमर का इतलाती बल छाती पतली कमर का पीला पटका बन जाऊं पीला पटका बन जाऊं बसा कर नैनन में छिपा कर नैनन में बसा कर नैनन में छिपा कर नैनन में ओ मनमोहन तुझे रिझाऊं मनमोहन तुझे रिझाऊं बसा कर नैनन में छिपा कर नैनन में बसा कर नैनन में छिपा कर नैनन में। बोल कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय हो। राधिका किशोरी संग रमन रिहारा मुझको दिखा दो कभी ऐसा नजारा राधिका किशोरी संग मुझको दिखा दो कभी ऐसा नजारा फिर चाहे मैं मर जाऊं फिर चाहे मैं मर जाऊं बसा कर नैनन में छिपा कर नैनन में बसा कर नैनन में छिपा कर नैनन में ओ मनमोहन तुझे रिझाऊं मनमोहन तुझे रिझाऊं बसा कर नैनन में छिपा कर नैनन में। गिरधर लाल प्यारो गिरधर लाल 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 गिरधर लाल गिरधर लाल प्यारो 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 गिरधर लाल ओ गिरधर लाल प्यारो गिरधर लाल गिरधर लाल प्यारो गिरधर लाल। जय जय श्री राधे बोल बंसी वाले की जय।